Hey guys, Gamer Mode here and welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be reviewing the TR4U liquid silicone case and Smart Devil 3-pack screen protector for iPhone 12 Pro. First, we're gonna be reviewing the case. So bought this on Amazon for $15, 14.49 to be exact. Simple packaging, pretty straightforward. I would say there's nothing much inside but the case itself. So there you go. So this is both compatible for both iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro. First impression, I would say the texture of this silicone is quite good. I like the texture. Let's go to the different angles of the case. This is the back side of the case. You can see there the camera hole, the side part, the bottom part, and the upper part of your case. So this case has a 3-layer structure as per the description on Amazon. And we're gonna be fitting the case now. So it always boils down to how it fits. So there you go, easy there. You just have to push it harder on the bottom part. That's it. It's a good fit. You can see the camera there. So it has a 1.3 millimeter camera protection. So this is the side button and the power button. There you go. And this is your bottom part. You can see all the holes in there in the top part of the case. So for $15, it's not bad at all. So you can get your money's worth. So I'm trying to access the silent button now, which you can actually easily access it. So yeah, it's pretty good. It's a good spacing for that silent button there, and your volume up and down. And this one now is your power button, so it's nice and soft, so it's not hard to press, which is a plus. That's it. Now it's turning on. The volume up and down is nice and soft as well, same as your power button. And now we're looking at the camera hole. So it has a raised edges design, so to protect your cameras. So that's another plus. So overall, it's a good case. I couldn't say anything much, but it's good. The only downside is the fingerprint, because it says on the description that it's actually fingerprint resistant, but you can see my fingerprint at the back there. And now let's have a look at the Smart Devil 3-pack screen protector for iPhone 12 Pro. So I bought this on Amazon as well for $12.99. I would say that the packaging of the screen protector is actually good. You can see the label of Smart Devil there. So tempered glass, anti-shock. And then the side of the packaging, which says anti-fingerprint surface hardness. I'm pretty impressed with like what you're paying for $13. You're getting this quality just by the packaging itself. So let's try to open this up. A very good packaging. So yeah, there you go. You're gonna open it from the bottom part of it, and that's it. So this is the guide that you're gonna put on your phone so that you can easily put the screen protector itself. So this is the first pack of your accessories, which includes your microfiber cloth, your wet wipes, and then the dust sticker. All screen protector accessories are well packaged as well. There you go, your 3 pack of your accessories, and this is your screen protector itself, and then some instruction manuals. Look at that. For the value of 13 bucks, you'll get all of this. What else can you say? So these are all the inclusions of the packaging, which is really, really impressive for the price of what you're paying. So it's time for the installation now. I'll see you in a bit. So this is how it looks like after the installation. So yeah, it looks pretty neat. So the installation process is actually good. It's easy. I had the trouble of like getting a bubble, but there's an instruction on how to get rid of it. So yeah. So I'll make a video as well to on how to install this. So if you're interested, I'll post that one after this. Yeah, so it's a good cover for your screen. And just doing a cleaning. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. So I would say for the value of $13, you're getting a quality screen protector, like the packaging and everything. It's really, really good, and it goes well with your case as well. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so that when I upload another video, you'll be updated on that one. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.